We'll guide you through how to remove the Facebook dating button. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. You can do this on an Android or an iPhone, by the way, it's the same steps. So if you go and look at the bar, we can go and see we've got the option and the button for dating. I don't want that to be there. What I want to do is go and remove that and go and not have it there. So make sure it's this full guide as we're going to guide you through how it's done. To get started, press the 3 lines in the top left, scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Tap there to expand it and find the option for Settings. Then what you need to do is you need to go and start scrolling down like so. What we're looking for is the Preferences option. In here, you need to go and find the tab bar and you want to go and tap there. Then you can press Customize the bar at the top. Look for dating here and you want to go to the right. Mine's pinned. What you want to do is go and press Hide and then it will not go and show it in the navigation bar, as you can see. So that's it. It's now been hidden.